Another day, another dollar, and another dream. Y'all know who it is. Look at that. We finally closed the game and won. But yeah, we about to take this Honda that I picked up off of No, it came from ACV. 2012 Honda, 180,000 miles. About to take it to Wilson. About to take it to old Wilson. We pull up to the front, show y'all what we got. Paid $3,000 for it. It's got 180. Got a traction control, tire pressure, and the brake light on. So that's probably like some brake fluid or something. Probably a little low on brake. The brakes are good. Brakes are good. Probably need a little fluid. But it does need a wheel hub. I already drove it when they dropped it off. So we already diagnosed the wheel hub. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. And we're gonna take it to Wilson. Y'all let me know. Is $3,000 a good deal? Which I already know it is because they're selling, $3,000. Probably spend about. The interior's not bad, so I clean it up myself. Get some mats. Gotta get some hubcaps. Pay Wilson probably about like $200 to fix this little body work right here. So it'll probably be like 33, 34 in it, 3,400. Sell it for 6,500, 7,500. I mean, they're going for like 8-9 grand, Or I could finance it. Probably finance about 8,500. Get the Camaro on the thumbnail too. But yeah, only damage I see is hanging that bumper right there, and then Wilson basically fixing this fender and painting that. Can't see if any. I don't think. Got the good rubber on there, so you ain't gotta worry. Came from Texas, somewhere in Texas. That ain't bad. Probably have them touch this up too. Just tell them, go ahead and just touch all these scrapes up. Just hit it all with the touch up. Like touch that up, that up, that up. Just hit it all with the touch up. Oh, I didn't see the headlight was cracked. I gotta get a headlight. Might go get 2 headlights if I can order cheap enough. Those new headlights in there, those new headlights make it look all good. These headlights all dingy. But we're gonna get the hubcaps on there. You gotta get the hubs on there. Gotta get the hubs on there. Just good old walk around. Let y'all see the interior. The interior is not bad. Just need a good vacuum and wipe down. Came from, why they got Texas plate on there? Southern Oklahoma State University. Huh. Maybe. Okay. Got a backup camera on there, or got a backup camera. Like I said, just need a good little vacuum and wipe down, and I gotta take it to the tire shop. Just have them balance all the tires, just so the tire pressure light come off. Probably check and see if there's anything missing off the brakes. What else? Oh yeah. I always want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Would you have paid $3,000 for it? Also, let me know how much you'll sell it for. But yeah, we're gonna take it here to Wilson. We'll do one more walk around. I'll pop the hood for y'all. Y'all know, like when I used to sell cars, they used to tell you when you pull up a customer car, you're supposed to butterfly it, Y'all don't know, y'all should know what butterfly means, but this door is kind of messed up. But I'll show y'all what they mean by butterfly. We ain't worried. You gotta fix the door anyway. But this is what I do this sometimes. I do this sometimes for the customers. Sometimes, not all the time, because sometimes customers just come in there and the car be parked outside and the customer already hopping it up in there. So out here sounding all good. So what they mean when they say the butterfly car, butterfly. Basically just spread the wings. Where the trunk release it. Voila. And this is what they mean. Butterfly, you know. Butterfly. And then, you know, you hear them. Then I used to go over my whole spiel. You know, I used to break it down to the customer. You know, used to break it down. I used to break a whole car down to a customer, but I can still break a car down. I still know everything I was taught when I was selling those new cars. I can break a car down from the front to back, but this is what y'all get. Y'all have it running already. You know, let the customer come out there and they see it, but that's after it's all cleaned up and stuff. You know, after you already get it cleaned up and everything like that. And you know, you let the customer come out there and you let them walk around it, and then you let the customer. This is what you do. You walk around. Then you let them sit in the passenger seat and let them see how they feel sitting in the passenger seat. Then you know you have them sit in the back seat, you know, so they can see how they feel in the back seat. You know, let them sit there. You know, let them sit like that. Trunk space. You know. There. Then you close all of that. Then you take them for a test drive on the vehicle. Or if you always want to test drive, on the test drive, when you test driving with a customer, you always let them go on the test drive, and then you always have the customer make right turns. Every turn is a right turn. No lefts, all rights. And if y'all want to know that, I'll let y'all know that. But wonder why, you know, if y'all always wonder if y'all ever test drove a vehicle, I'll just let y'all know right now, you know, it's for the safety of you. That's why they tell you, the dealerships always have this, tells people, they always have a customer make this right, oh yeah, make that right, because I'm sitting in the passenger seat, so if anything happens, it's gonna happen to the driver. So that's why they tell you, all right, make the person do all right turns, just because if the way they driving and they putting their stuff in, if they're not driving and not paying attention, then it's them and not you. So that's why they tell you all left turns. But yeah, then after you test drive the customer, you make them do the right, you let them go on the test drive, you can let them get on the highway, and then you pull up to the store, you know, have like 50 cents or $1 in your pocket, you know. This is a little sales tip. Have like a little $1 in your pocket, you know. Like, hey, you know, pull up to the store. Get them like, hey, you know, like pull up to the store, let them hop out the car, you know, let them go in the store, get them like a little $1, tell them, hey, you want some gum, or you want anything, you would like some gum or something. And then it's basically one thing is just showing, like, okay, when the person goes in the store and they walk out, how do they see their car? Because you want them to see this car you want them to see the car from them doing everything that they're going to do, because they're going to sit. Their kids are they're going to sit in the passenger seat one time because somebody else is going to drive, and then their kids are probably going to be sitting in the back one time. You know that everybody goes to the store, so you know how when you walk in the store and then you walk out in your car at the gas station, you look at your car, you're like, dang, my car look good. So that's the thing about letting people walk. You know, you let them walk inside. You know, get some gum or something like that, walk in, just make a person walk out, so then they can see, like, yeah, I can see myself driving that, because they doing their daily routine. And now this car is your daily driver. It's yours. Thank you. Have a nice day. You know, it's your car. I did my job. Bam. But we about to take this to Wilson. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll show y'all the after Wilson get it done. I'm out. Peace. If y'all have any questions or comments, drop them down low.